Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, I do want to say that I hope you guys are staying safe out there. I know this is a very difficult time, to say the least, with everything that's going on in the world right now. I just went to the store and it feels literally like you're just in the twilight zone. Everybody's walking around with masks, trying to stay away from each other. But yeah, I just hope you guys are staying safe physically, mentally, spiritually, emotionally, because this is definitely a lot and no one prepared to deal with something like this. So my prayers are with you guys. Stay at home if you do not have to go out. We're gonna go ahead and jump into this video, you guys. I'm super excited about this video. I am going to be discussing my favorite body care products with you guys. And body care, you guys, is just as important as hair care. I know most of my videos on my channel are for my hair care, which is very important to me, but also my body care is just as important. It's really important for me to keep my skin moisturized, glowing, soft, all of that, and smelling good. You don't want to forget about that. So all of that is super important to me. It feels so pampering when I go through my routine. It may feel like a lot of products, but I feel like they're all important. I don't skip over anything. I don't take shortcuts because I just want to make sure that I'm taking care of my skin. And especially with summer coming, you guys, finger crossed that we're going to be doing something this summer. Hopefully showing some skin, getting some sun. Not in the house quarantine, but we will definitely see. But regardless, definitely gotta keep my skin right. All right, you guys, so first we are gonna start off with my shower routine, and I'm gonna show you guys everything that I use inside of the shower. All right, you guys, so the first product that I'm going to be starting off with is a body wash, and this is actually from Dove. You guys, I am absolutely in love with this body wash. Like, I would honestly say this is probably one of the best body washes that I have used before. And I'm actually not a huge Dove person. Like, even though I know they make great products, I don't normally keep that in like my shower routine. But when I saw this is actually a new product. This is the Dryness Relief with jojoba oil, and this says it deeply nourishes and restores dry skin. You guys, this leaves my skin feeling so freaking soft and moisturized. I absolutely love this. I've been using this, I want to say for like a couple weeks now, and this bottle is still like super full, so I know I'm gonna have this for a while. Has a nice light clean smell. Yeah, it just smells really clean. I love the way my bathroom smells after I get done showering because it lingers in the air and it just smells really fresh. So yeah, you guys, this is my current favorite body wash right now. And I also like to keep a good bar soap in my routine as well. So right now my favorite bar soap is from Caress. And this is their Daily Silk. This is for silky, soft skin. You guys, when I say this is one of my faves right now, I really didn't realize I was using this other bar soap, and I forget what it's even called. And I was wondering why my skin was so dry, and it was because of the soap. Like, I did a process of elimination. I'm like, this soap is really drying my skin out. So just pay attention, you guys. Even though it's just bar soap, it really makes a difference. You want to make sure that you're not stripping your skin and just drying it out. So make sure that you're getting a good body soap. And this is a classic. It's been out for years, but this is what I'm currently loving. Okay, and then after I am nice and clean, sometimes I do go in again with another body wash for just some added fragrance. I have a lot, so I'm not going to go through like all the different ones that I grab for in the shower. But one that I'm like really loving, this is from The Body Shop, and this is the mango scent. You guys, when I tell you, this smells so freaking juicy. I love the Body Shop products in general, but this is definitely one that I've been grabbing. And normally for like the fragrance, you guys, I literally just, I put it on my arms, I put it on my neck. I don't put this body wash everywhere because it's not supposed to go everywhere, and I don't want it running everywhere. I'll just leave it at that. And I'm sure my females, y'all know what I mean. So yeah, I just use this for fragrance. You guys, so my next step is to exfoliate, and I want to emphasize, you guys, how important exfoliating is. Like, if you are not exfoliating in your body care routine, you have no idea what you're missing out on. Exfoliation is absolutely necessary. You want to make sure that you're getting the dead skin off of your body. It literally will reveal your softest skin ever. You just want to make sure that you're exfoliating. It's just good for your body. If you have any issues as far as like your legs, I forget what it's called that I know different people have, but it's like those little goosebumps like on your legs. Exfoliating will absolutely help with that. It'll make your skin nice and smooth. I normally exfoliate probably about 4 times a week, like 3 to 4 times. And it just makes such a big difference. It just makes my skin feel super smooth. I do exfoliate everywhere, even my face. Of course, we're not talking about face routine right now, but I exfoliate everywhere. I exfoliate especially after getting waxed. That's another topic, but you just want to make sure you're exfoliating. But let me tell you guys what my favorite exfoliator is. Right now, Tree Hut, you guys, is my absolute favorite. Okay, so the one that I've been using the most, this is actually their coconut lime scent. And these are sugar scrubs, you guys. They're super affordable. You can find them literally at any drugstore, Ulta, Target, any of the stores. They're super affordable. This is what it looks like. And I know you guys have seen these in stores before. This is my second time purchasing this scent. I've also tried the Moroccan Rose, which I did like, but I like this scent better. I also just ordered a new one too that I am super excited to try. This one is the Leshy and Plum. This one, you guys, has a really nice light fragrance. This was actually recommended. I was watching one of the Glam Twins. Oh yeah, it smells really good. I was watching one of the Glam Twins videos and they were saying that this was one of their favorites. So this, you guys, it smells so bomb. And when you're looking for an exfoliator, you guys, you want to make sure, I would say the sugar scrubs are my favorite. You just want to make sure that it has some grit to it. I mean, depending on the sensitivity of your skin. I mean, I do have sensitive skin, but I also have dry skin. So I want to make sure it's actually exfoliating. Like, there's some body washes that are like exfoliating body washes, but they're not actually exfoliating your skin. So just make sure it's a good, you know, has some type of grit to it. You just want to make sure it's actually exfoliating your skin. So after I exfoliate, like I said, I do that about 3 to 4 times a week. After I do that, I'm ready to hop out of the shower and begin to moisturize. So I always, you guys, apply a body oil on damp skin. I never just get out of the shower, towel dry, and then start my routine. Like I have my skin nice and damp and moist, and then I go in with the body oil first. Right now, you guys, not even right now, I've been using this body oil. And let me introduce you guys to this product. This is actually a off-brand, and I don't even know if I should say off-brand. This is a Target brand. Target is like, they're a brand on their own. I don't really consider them a knockoff, but this is their Up and Up brand from Target. This is a light sesame formula body oil, and this is actually a dupe for the Neutrogena body oil. And you guys, I actually haven't even tried the Neutrogena one. This is so freaking bomb. This is my 3rd bottle that I've purchased. It's about like $4 cheaper than a Neutrogena one, and I don't have any reason to like want to try it because this is bomb. Like, this absorbs so well in my skin, you guys. It makes my skin nice and smooth and glowy. Like, I can't say enough about this. It's really bomb, you guys. This is what it looks like. And you can literally find it in Target. It's like $6.99, you guys. This is highly recommended. Another oil that I will sometimes grab, like if I feel like my skin is really dry and I need some extra moisture, I will grab some extra virgin organic olive oil, you guys. And my skin absolutely loves olive oil. My skin is actually not a fan of coconut oil. Like, I was using coconut oil for a while and then I realized it wasn't really absorbing in my skin, so I stopped using coconut oil. But virgin olive oil, you guys, my skin absolutely loves. This would be like an oil, and this is just the one that I pick up, but you of course can pick out whichever brand that you like. Just make sure that it's organic, extra virgin olive oil. And this is great to put on at nighttime before you go to bed, just to add like that extra moisture. So I definitely do grab this sometimes. And the last body oil, you guys, that I'm going to mention, this is actually from Camille Rose. This is their holiday collection. And one thing, you guys, that I absolutely love about this product is the bottle. This is a spray bottle, you guys. So this is like super easy for if you really don't feel like doing all of that, being extra. You literally can just spray it, rub it in. It's nice and quick. This, you guys, smells like a chocolate dessert. Like, it smells so good. It's a cocoa body oil for radiant glow and softness. So it's a very great moisturizer. This is actually, I don't even think they're still selling this. I know they do different like holiday collections around the holiday times, of course. So I'm not sure if this is still available, but if it is, you guys, I definitely recommend picking this up. It definitely comes in handy because you can literally just spritz it everywhere, rub it in much quicker, and it smells like a dessert. So you'll be smelling like a dessert and you'll be nice and moisturized. So thank you, Camille Rose. I definitely am loving this. Guys, so after I'm all oiled up, then I follow up with my moisturizer. So you guys, this first one that I'm going to mention, I know it may seem super basic, but this, you guys, is my favorite right now. This is from Aveeno. It's just their classic daily moisturizing lotion. You guys, I honestly was not expecting this to work for my skin. When I tell you guys, like, I have tried so many freaking creams, lotions. Normally I would gravitate towards the cream because I do have dry skin. I have eczema as well, so it's very important for me to keep my skin moisturized. But I would generally grab like creams just because I felt like they were heavier, so they would absorb more. And I would try so many different freaking products and my skin was still dry. It was like they weren't penetrating in my skin. So I picked this up, you guys, and this is like my third bottle that I've purchased, and this keeps my skin super moisturized and soft, irritation free. It's unscented, which I actually like because it doesn't disrupt like any of my fragrances, my perfumes that I wear, or my body washes. So I'm completely okay with it being unscented. But yeah, you guys, this is bomb. So this, if you have dry skin, if you have eczema, I definitely recommend this. It's a classic lotion. You can find it anywhere. Yeah. Now, my newest moisturizer, you guys, I found this product like a week ago and I'm in love. This is from Tree Hut. I was actually ordering one of their body scrubs on Amazon, and I was like, let me just try out their butter. I wasn't too like hopeful about it. I wasn't like, oh, it's going to be amazing. I was just like, you know, let me just try something new. You guys, this has my skin feeling so smooth. Like, after I put this on, y'all, my body is glowing. Like, my skin is glowing. It feels soft. It's smooth. This, you guys, is bomb. And they have different ones, but this one is the Tree Hut Shea Body Butter. This is with almond extract and honey, and this is what it looks like. And to be honest, you guys, I'm not crazy about this scent, but it's very moisturizing. It smells like cherries or something to me, and I actually hate cherries. But the smell, I'm not a fan of, but it doesn't linger, so I'm okay with it. But it's just a super creamy butter. And like I said, you guys, I was just like blown away. It was like $5, so that's why I was like, okay, let me just throw it in the cart and try it. This is bomb. This will definitely be staying in my routine. And I've tried so many butters. This one, you guys, this is it. Try this. All right, you guys, so after I'm oiled up and moisturized, then I do follow up with a foot cream. I have a separate moisturizer for my feet because, y'all, you got to keep it soft, head to toe. Everything got to be smooth, soft, ready to go. So this, you guys, this is like a favorite product of mine. I've been using this for like 3 years now. This is from Soap and Glory, and it is called Heal Genius. I'm sure you guys have probably heard about this. Soap and Glory, you can find them normally at like Ulta, Target. So this product, you guys, is super moisturizing. This, you guys, will have your feet feeling super smooth and silky. You got to keep the feet right, you guys. So don't forget the feet. Keep them moisturized. I do apply oil on my feet first as well before I moisturize, but I like having a separate moisturizer just because your feet, you know, they're different than the rest of your body. They need that specific moisture. So yeah, you guys, I absolutely love this from Soap and Glory. Guys, and then for hair removal, normally I love getting waxed. Like, I literally enjoy getting waxed. That may sound weird, but it's like an enjoyable process to me. Right now, y'all, we can't go out and do none of that. No shops are open. No waxes right now. So I'm just going to mention some of my favorite products for shaving. Shaving cream that I do have. This is from Gillette. This is their Satin Care. And this is for ultra sensitive skin. As I mentioned, I do have sensitive skin. And especially when it comes to shaving, that's one reason why I prefer waxing, among many other reasons. But it's less like harsh on my skin than shaving. This, you guys, it definitely doesn't irritate my skin. Super affordable as well. Now for razors, you guys, for years, like when I say years, I mean like over a decade, like since I've been a teenager, I've been using the Gillette, like the Venus razors, that collection. I've been using those for like forever. Like those are literally the only razors that I use. But I decided to try something new, and it reminded me that it's great to try new things, because this, you guys, this is from Schick. This is their Hydro Silk 5 for sensitive care. This, you guys, and the box is open, that's why it's kind of rattling. But this, you guys, when I say this is the best, let me put this down, it's shaking. This is, it comes with like 3 razors, so I opened it, but I still have another one in there. This, you guys, is my absolute favorite razor that I've ever used. It causes no irritation. It gives me the silkiest, closest shave possible. Like, I can't rave enough about these razors. I absolutely love it. Again, it's from Schick, and it's the Hydro Silk 5, so it has 5 blades. I never really get razors that have like the 2, 3 blades. I always get 5 blades. I just feel like it gives me a nice, cleaner, closer shave. So I was absolutely blown away when I tried this. So if you guys need a new razor, you want to try something new, definitely pick this up. Your skin will thank you. It's going to be nice, silky, and smooth. So yeah, I definitely do recommend this. For deodorant, you guys, I don't have anything like super fancy or anything like that. I just have Degree. I don't even need to show y'all what this look like, because y'all know what Degree look like. I don't even got no top on this. It ain't cute, but that's the deodorant that I use. Honestly, I rotate. Like, I don't know if this is just me, but I feel like after I use a product for a certain amount of time, my body gets like used to it, and I have to switch it up. So I'll jump from like Secret to Degree. Sometimes I use Dove, but this is what I'm using now. It keeps me fresh, keeps me dry. Y'all, even though we home quarantine, keep it fresh, you know, do it for yourself. So still do your full body care routine, but this is super great, keeping you fresh. Also, you guys, if y'all don't know about Certain Dry, let me tell y'all about Certain Dry. This is a prescription deodorant that you just put on at night. If you have any issues, and this is just girl talk, so we can be personal. If you have any issues as far as like sweating excessively, anything like that, odor, anything, try this out, you guys. This product is amazing. It's so good that you really don't even have to wear deodorant. You can literally just use this and you won't really sweat as much. I still follow with a deodorant the next day, but this is just really bomb. If I grab this, like honestly, I've had this bottle. This is what it looks like. Honestly, I've had this for like, how long have I had this one? I've had this probably for like a couple of years because I don't use it a lot, but if I feel like, you know, that I've been sweating a little bit too much or whatever, what have you, I know that don't sound cute, but it's real life, I will grab this and I'll just start putting it on like every other night, and then I'll stop. Like, it's not something I'll use consistently, but this, y'all, is bomb to keep you fresh and dry. Summertime is coming. I live in Atlanta, so it's definitely gonna be a hot summer, so yeah, keep it fresh. Grab this if you need it. And outside of that, you guys, the only other products that I really use in my body care routine are like my fragrances. Even when I'm home alone, I still love to smell good, so I'll still like spritz body splash everywhere. I always finish off with that because you just want to smell good. It's just a part of, you know, being a girl and just being nice and clean. You guys, so that is my complete body care routine for soft, glowy skin. Definitely comment below any of your favorite products that you guys are currently using in your body care hygiene routine. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you guys are staying safe, stay home, and we will get through this. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.